Ever find yourself clenching your jaw or grinding your teeth? That's called bruxism, folks, and it's no laughing matter. Puts a whole lot of pressure on your teeth, more than chomping on a well-done steak. Over time, this can lead to serious problems like tooth decay, gum disease, and even tooth loss. That's not all. Bruxism can cause headaches, jaw pain, and disrupt your sleep. Remember, your body needs to rest, and that includes your jaw. If you suspect you're a teeth grinder, visit your dentist. They can help protect your teeth with a custom-made mouth guard. And try to manage that stress, friends. Yoga, deep breathing, or a good old-fashioned walk can do wonders. So protect your smile, folks. It's worth more than you think.